Hey, are you ready to learn English?
Then welcome to English Fiesta!
Here at English Fiesta, we don't memorize grammar. No. We don't study textbooks. No. Here, we experience and live the language. Here, we use comprehensible input. This is real life, real stories, real messages, and language that your brain can actually understand. So you keep watching, keep listening, and your English will improve. So join the Fiesta. You can start learning at EnglishFiesta.com. See you there. Hey,